Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you the quick tutorial on how to change the watch face on your Y68 smartwatch. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video I will be showing you on how to quickly change the watch face of your Y68 smartwatch. Alright guys, so all you just have to do is, as you can see, there is a circle here icon. So all you just have to do is kindly long press that one, and boom, it will change the watch face. And if you want to change it again, so you just have to click that again and it will also change this watch face. Sadly guys, I tried the ways on how to change the watch face on the application, but there's no available dial or there's no available watch faces on the application yet. So I hope in the future they will support the change of the watch face so that we can customize it as well. Alright guys, at this time, so this is just the way on how we can change the watch face. Just long press that circle icon and you can already change to the other design. So we only have two watch faces guys, so I hope this helps, especially to those people who are asking if they can change the watch face of their Y68 smartwatch. Alright guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below, and if you like this video guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh and I'll see you soon.